Hi everyone, Jane here from jennyandteddy.com. So in this video, we are going to make the easy crochet star applique with the 5 point of the star. During you watching the video, I would love you guys to get a free writing pattern on my blog with a detailed step-by-step photo tutorial, and I will put the link in the description below. You can also follow me on the Instagram to see the new pattern update, and let's get started. Hi everyone, Jane here. So in this video, we are going to make the star applique with the 5 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this star is going to be on this side 3.5 inch and 3.5 inch each. Each one of this is about 1.5 inch. So actually you can use any yarn and any crochet hook size, but in this example this one I use 4 medium weight cotton yarn, and the three of this star applique is 1, 2, 3. The yellow color, green and pink, I use cotton DK weight yarn, so they are not much different in the size. I show you the size. The yellow one is DK weight cotton yarn or 3 light cotton, so it's a little bit smaller. I use the same crochet hook size, which is a 3.5mm crochet hook. So the purple one is a 4 medium weight yarn, so it's not much different. And you can use any yarn or any crochet hook size you like, but the size will be different from the example one. The example one will be use 4 medium weight yarn. It's about 3.5 inch for the star. If you want the star to be smaller, just get a smaller crochet hook and maybe 3 lightweight yarn or fingering yarn, something like that. So what you will need for this star applique is a crochet 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, stitch marker or contrasting color yarn, measuring tape, and a pair of scissors. And the yarn that I use is Lion brand 24 cotton 7. Is 4 medium weight yarn. So I use smaller hook 3.5. So let's get started. So we will start with the magic ring or the adjustable ring by wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times. Insert your crochet hook underneath and draw the loop, and then chain 1, and then we will start to do the 5 single crochet in the ring. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, and 5 single crochet. After we have 5 single crochet in the ring already, we will pull the yarn tail to cross the gap. and then we will put the contrasting color yarn to be the marker. Now we finished row 1 already. Row 1 is a 5 single crochet in the ring. The total of the stitch count will be 5 stitches. And now we will start on round 2. Round 2 we will make 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So we not join the round, we work in spiral. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and we will keep going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch around. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the total you will have 10 stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nine and 10. So in the total of the round 2 we will have 10 stitches in total, and we will start on round 3 next. Now we will start on round 3. On round 3, don't forget to go to get the free writing pattern on my blog with a very detailed step-by-step photo tutorial for this star applique as well. So on round 3, in the first stitch we make half double crochet in the first stitch, and on the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet all in the same stitch. So we finish now. We finished the first set already, and we will keep repeating this by, in the first stitch we make half double crochet, and on the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet all in the same stitch, and we will keep repeating this by, first stitch we make half double crochet, and on the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. I will keep going. On the first stitch, half double crochet. On the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet all in the same stitch, and keep going. So in the first stitch we make half double crochet, and in the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, and now we finish round 3 already. We put the stitch marker in. So we will have look like this. And we will start on round 4 next. The last round is round 4, the next one. Now we start on row 4. On round 4, so we will make single crochet in the next stitch, in the first stitch I mean, single crochet, and then skip one stitch here, and then 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space from the previous row, 2 double, 3 double crochet and chain 2, and then 3 double crochet in the same chain space, 1, 2 and 3. Now we finish one point of the star, so we do another one. So in the next stitch, single crochet, skip one stitch, and then you will see chain 1 space from the previous row here. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 double, 3 double, chain 2, and 3 double crochet, all in the same chain space. 2 already, and 3 double. Second point for the star, I will show you until the end. So on the next stitch, single crochet, skip one stitch, and you will see the chain 1 space from the previous row here. 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 double crochet, all in the same chain space. Now we got our third point already for the star, and then we will single crochet in the next stitch, and then you will see the next stitch. We skip one stitch, and you will see chain 1 from the previous row, chain 1 space. We make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, and then we make 3 double crochet in the same chain space. Our four point for the star already, and we are going to the last point of the star, the 5th point. So single crochet, skip one stitch, and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet, all in the same chain space. Now we have a 5 point for the star already. We are going to finish the last one. So we finish with single crochet, put the yarn tail off. If you want to get the star to attach to something, you will leave the long tail. If you don't want to attach with something, you will cut for the short tail. Now we finish for the star already, and then we will use the yarn needle to tidy up, to web in end for for the star. So how I wrap in end, just this, and make some knot, small knot. Cut them off. Do the same for this one. Tidy up. And now we finish for the star already. And I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you make one, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creation. And bye. Have a good day.